If you've ever driven through the Yakima Valley, odds are you've seen row after row of apple trees. Chances are many of these orchards are owned and operated by Domex Super Fresh, a family-owned operation producing fruits we love throughout the Northwest.
You guys are big.
We're big.
Yeah.
We're big.
Catherine Gipe Stewart is the communications manager at Super Fresh Growers. Today, she's showing us exactly what they do at one of their orchards.
We're fifth generation family owned.
Awesome.
We now have orchards all over the Pacific Northwest. Apples, pears, cherries, apricots, blueberries, and kiwi berries.
With an operation of over 30,000 acres, having enough workers is crucial to production. As time goes on, finding local workers is becoming more difficult.
Domestic workforce is aging out. Baby boomers are retiring. The younger generations are becoming more skilled, more educated, and that workforce is going to become more technicians. So we're going to be relying a lot on our domestic workforce to get those skills. We're currently working on an H-2A program.
So H-2A, what does that mean?
So H-2A is a temporary agricultural worker program. It's non-immigrant. Super Fresh Growers does a 4-month max contract. We have a lot of employees who are really family-centered, and 4 months allows them to have plenty of family time, but have an opportunity to also come up and make some good money as well here in the United States.
Yeah.
Christopher Marquez is an H-2A worker from Durango, Mexico. In this orchard, he's thinning apple trees, a process that removes clusters of fruit and gives those remaining room to grow nice and large. After watching Christopher do it, I tried my hand at it.
Oh, whoops.
Another try. It happens.
To Christopher, working here in Washington means more than just having a good job.
Are you happy that you're here in Washington?
There's a lot of us Mexicans down in Mexico that are wanting to come up here. So we're really glad and blessed that we're over here.
Do you have a goal for your future?
Yes, get our better life down in Mexico. So what we earn here 3 to 4 months helps us feed our family over there 3-4 months.
A large percentage of our agriculture system has come to rely on the H-2A program. Domex, like many farms, tries to go above and beyond for their staff, offering educational experience, better wages, and high-quality housing.
We're able to call the shots when we're family-owned and really make sure that we take care of our farm workers. It really takes a team, and that's really important for us. Anytime we'll have 100 to a couple hundred in this area, but up to 4,000 throughout the state throughout the year. So we have 6 rooms in this house, 4 people per room. You can see 6 fridges. So each room is kind of a family
has their
unit.
own.
We have fully air-conditioned, Wi-Fi.
How do you like it?
Everything, the homes, everything's beautiful. Co-workers, supervisors, managers treat us very well.
This is home for about 4 months.
Yeah.
We want this to be an enjoyable work experience. We're a team here. It takes everyone to harvest this huge crop that we have. We want them to feel that importance and feel like they're heard as well.